why does my Wellness Spa IO or Renew Spa IO make a weird sound? It's because when it's not operating, it has no sound. But when it is touched to your skin, it gives off this white noise. But once I take my hand off it, it gives that dun dun sound, meaning it's not connected to anything. But once I connect it again, you can hear the white noise. But once I take it off, that's the sound that you know it's not connecting. But once you are touching the right place, it should have this white noise. Also, if you move too fast, you'll see that it'll tell you that you're moving too fast, okay? And if you don't have enough of the activating gel with these 4 notes, it will also tell you with that dun dun sound as well. So make sure you're hearing this white noise sound. That means that you know your Wellness Spa IO or your Renew Spa IO, it's working. So I hope you like this video. If you want to know more, make sure you follow for more.